Everyone's talking about the same iPhone accessories recently, while some genuinely useful stuff flies under the radar. Let me show you 10 gadgets that actually solve real problems, and I've got links to all of them in the description below with the best deals I could find. Let's start with something that'll change how you think about iPhone storage. The Lexar ES5 MagSafe SSD snaps right onto the back of your iPhone and gives you up to 2 terabytes of extra storage. What makes this genuinely impressive is that it's specifically designed for iPhone 15 Pro users who want to record 4K ProRes video directly to external storage. Instead of filling up your iPhone storage during a shoot, everything goes straight to the SSD. The magnetic attachment is solid, the IP65 rating means it can handle some abuse, and the 10-foot drop protection gives you peace of mind when you're shooting in challenging conditions. The workflow benefits are significant. Professional mobile creators are using this to shoot high bitrate video without worrying about storage limitations. The rugged design means you can actually take it into the field without babying it, and the magnetic connection is convenient enough that you'll actually use it regularly. Now, Lexar claims it hits 2000 megabytes per second read and write speeds, but that's only possible if your computer supports USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, which most don't. In reality, you're looking at around 1000 megabytes per second, which is still fast, but not the marketing number they're pushing. The next one is the Nomad Leather Mag Wallet. This is one of the few MagSafe wallets with full Find My support, made from premium Horween leather that develops a beautiful patina over time. The magnetic connection is strong and reliable on compatible cases, and having Find My integration means you can actually locate your wallet if it goes missing. The slim profile doesn't add much bulk to your phone, and you can store up to 4 cards with a convenient slot at the bottom for easy removal. The leather quality is genuinely excellent, with that premium feel that justifies the higher price point. The Find My support provides real peace of mind. And the overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It's one of the more thoughtfully designed MagSafe wallets on the market. The reality is that the leather stretches over time and gets saggy, leading to cards falling out unexpectedly after several months of use. For a premium-priced wallet, that's a significant functional failure. The MagSafe connection can also be weak on cases that don't have the lower alignment magnets. But you'll forget all about these minor downsides when you get your hands on the Moment T-Series lens kit. These are professional-grade lenses that attach to your iPhone through a bayonet mount system. The image quality is genuinely impressive when everything works properly, with sharp optics and beautiful rendering that significantly surpasses what your iPhone can do natively. You've got options for telephoto, wide, anamorphic, fisheye, and macro photography, giving you serious creative flexibility for mobile photography and filmmaking. The lenses are made from aerospace-grade metal and cinema-quality glass, so they're built to last. The bayonet mount is quick and secure, and the lenses aren't too heavy to carry around. The Moment app gives you DSLR-like controls for professional-level shots, and the variety of focal lengths opens up creative possibilities that just aren't possible with the iPhone's native cameras alone. The investment is significant though. Each lens costs around $150, plus you need their specific case, and there are quality control issues with compatibility problems on new iPhone models. Sometimes the lenses don't align correctly with updated camera modules, leading to vignetting or blurriness. Meanwhile, mobile gaming usually means dealing with touch controls that feel like you're playing through mittens. The Backbone Pro game controller wraps around your iPhone and gives you actual console-style controls with full-size joysticks, a precision D-pad, and programmable rear buttons. The direct USB-C connection ensures minimal latency, which is critical for action games. The ergonomic design makes long gaming sessions comfortable, and the companion app lets you create profiles and remap buttons for different games. For iOS users, you get exclusive features like remote play for streaming PlayStation games directly to your iPhone. The build quality feels premium, and the controller transforms your phone into something that genuinely feels like a handheld gaming console. The variety of supported games is impressive, from casual titles to more demanding games that benefit from precise controls. You might get some lag issues during intense online play, and the analog sticks aren't quite durable enough for serious competitive gaming. So while it's fantastic fantastic for casual games and single-player experiences, it might not meet the demands of the most hardcore mobile gamers. I'm sure you noticed that your iPhone gets hot in the car, especially when you're running GPS and trying to charge at the same time. The ESR MagSafe Car Charger with CryoBoost solves that problem with a built-in cooling fan that actually works. The 15-watt MagSafe charging maintains full speed even in direct sunlight because the phone isn't overheating and throttling performance. You can mount it on your dashboard or air vents, and switching between portrait and landscape orientations is smooth. The magnetic connection is strong enough to handle bumpy roads, and the cooling technology is genuinely effective at preventing the thermal throttling that kills charging speeds in hot cars. At $40, it's reasonably priced compared to premium options from Apple or Belkin, and the build quality feels solid and durable. And so is the Belkin 3-in-1 UltraCharge Pro. This charging station uses the new Qi 2 standard to deliver 25 watts wireless charging, which is genuinely fast. It can take your iPhone from 0 to 50% in 25 minutes, and that's actually accurate. The CryoBoost cooling technology keeps things from overheating better than most wireless chargers, and the premium design looks great on a desk or nightstand.
Nice.
You can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, eliminating cable clutter. The build quality feels premium and sturdy, with an elevated design that fits well in modern spaces. The Apple Watch charging is fast too, going from 0 to 80% in 45 minutes. Having everything charged wirelessly in one spot is genuinely convenient, and the charging speeds are among the fastest you'll find for wireless charging. Even with the cooling technology, devices still get noticeably warm during charging, and some users report overheating issues when charging 3 devices simultaneously. If you want to see a really impressive charger setup, I covered the Orki 6-in-1 charger in my video about gadgets that define 2026. Check that out in the top right corner. And if you're finding this useful so far, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more honest tech reviews of the coolest gadgets that matter to you the most. If you need a power bank, the Anker MagGo power bank gives you 15 watts Qi 2 wireless charging, which is twice as fast as older MagSafe chargers. The smart display shows remaining capacity and recharge times at a glance, which is genuinely useful information that most power banks don't provide. The integrated foldable stand lets you make video calls or watch content hands-free while charging, and the pass-through charging means you can charge the power bank and your phone simultaneously. The 10,000 mAh capacity is solid for a portable charger, and the magnetic attachment is strong and reliable. The design is slim enough to not add too much bulk, and the additional USB-C port gives you wired charging options for non-magnetic devices. Anker's Active Shield safety system provides protection against overcharging and overheating. Due to energy loss during wireless conversion, the effective usable capacity is closer to 6,000 to 7,000 mAh instead of 10,000. I guess Anker's got that less is more thing going on here. The device tends to get warm during use, and Apple's thermal protection might cause your iPhone to stop charging at 80% to prevent overheating. Apple's latest earbuds add heart rate monitoring directly in the ear, which is convenient for fitness tracking without needing a watch. The live translation feature, powered by Apple Intelligence, offers real-time language translation that's genuinely useful for travelers. The active noise cancellation has been improved, and the personalized spatial audio creates an immersive listening experience. The new foam-infused ear tips provide more size options for a better fit. The integration with the Apple ecosystem is seamless, with automatic switching between devices and exclusive features that work well with iPhones. The heart rate monitoring opens up new possibilities for fitness tracking, and the translation feature feels genuinely futuristic when it works properly. What I don't like is the angular shape, which might be uncomfortable for extended wear, and Apple removed the ventilation holes, leading to a sweaty, cloudy clammy feeling. The transparency mode makes your voice sound unnatural while over-amplifying ambient sounds. And there's a persistent static or crackling issue that affects many units. Any respectable man needs a watch, and the Apple Watch Series 11 is a great choice. It adds 5G connectivity at no extra cost compared to the Series 10, along with new hypertension notifications that could be genuinely life-saving. The Ion X glass provides double the scratch resistance of previous iterations, making it more durable for daily wear. The Sleep Score feature gives you insights into sleep quality, and the overall health tracking capabilities continue to be industry-leading. The 5G connectivity provides faster and more reliable connections when you're away from your iPhone, and the hypertension monitoring leverages the optical heart rate sensor to detect signs of chronic high blood pressure. The battery optimization has been improved, particularly for sleep tracking, and the overall user experience remains polished and intuitive. Apple claims 24-hour battery life, but real-world usage shows only 18 to 20 hours, which is just a modest improvement over the Series 10. At $399, the incremental improvements make me feel robbed, and it might not justify the upgrade if you're coming from a recent model. If you're like me and you're taking a lot of photos and videos, then you need the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. This gimbal offers excellent 3-axis stabilization that produces incredibly smooth video when properly set up. The Apple Dock Kit support allows for seamless pairing via NFC, and the AI tracking works exceptionally well for pets and multiple people. The build quality is solid and portable with a built-in extension rod that adds versatility. The integrated fill light helps with low light recording, and the overall design is intuitive enough for both beginners and experienced users. The stabilization quality is genuinely impressive, producing cinematic footage that would be impossible to achieve handheld. The AI tracking features work reliably, and the dock kit integration makes it feel like a natural extension of the iPhone's camera system. The battery life is solid, and the overall feature set is comprehensive for mobile videography. There are some downsides though. Perfect balancing is absolutely essential, and if you don't get it right, you'll get jittery footage and motor strain. The built-in tripod is flimsy and not stable enough for outdoor use in even moderate wind, and there are quality control issues with some units suffering from jittering and complete loss of focus during tracking. The reality is that these gadgets solve real problems and offer improvements to the iPhone experience. Now, if you want to see some seriously clever tech that'll upgrade your entire home, check out my video on 13 Amazon gadgets that smart homeowners swear by.